Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we will automate the golden ratio of the keyword, and we will automate the all-in title check in bulk within Google Sheets. So the first column is for keywords. The second is volume, and third is all-in title. And here we'll calculate the KGR. So let's type some keywords. Best shoes for men, and it's 250. Okay, we don't know the all-in title. We will automate this by script. And best shoes for women, there's 180. Best black shoes for school. So the volume is 360. Let's check. Now go to the extension, click the app scripts, and go to the description, copy the code of the resource. Here I have this code. Let's copy this, paste here, replace with the previous lines, replace here. Okay, here you have to update your API key. You can find another video on the channel how to get the Google search API key and Google search engine ID. So you have to replace this with your API key and your search engine ID. Also update this your sweet spot threshold. So it is 0.25. Okay, now save this and refresh the sheet. Let's wait for the menu. Here you can see it's visible now. So for first time it will ask you for authorization. Click OK. Use your Google account for this authorization. Go to the advanced, go to Untitled Protect and Save, and allow the code. So now again you have to click on this and fetch KGR data. Here you can see the all-in title of this keyword is 4650. The KGR is too high, it is unlikely to use. And the second one is good, the volume is 180, and the all-in title is 1. Why its all-in title is 1? Because I have used the wrong spelling of the shoes. So when I will correct this, the again KGR will be high. So you just need to paste the keywords here and the volume here, then use the KGR tool, fetch KGR data. So also you can click on the description link to find this Google Sheet. So then you have to click File, make a copy, and make your copy and replace the API keys in extension app script codes. So as a simple method, tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.